too. Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Renee, of course. So I figured let me jump on here real quick, show you guys what we're making today. Chef Kayla is preparing, what is that? I forget already. That, yes. Bless you.
Thank you.
Sorry, it's the kimchi dumplings. Yeah. And she's making rice cake, if you could see it. Let me see if I can hold it up to show you guys. So she's making rice cake. So we're having like a little Asian theme. We're also making some shrimp shumai. They are so good, you guys. So good, so good. Oh
Yeah. Now that you're over here.
And then we're also making some lobster. It says lobster balls, I think it says. Yeah, lobster ball. You can see them right there. That's what they're supposed to look like. As well as we're gonna make some, bless you, some dim sum. You know, so y'all get the point, y'all get the point, y'all get the point. We also have some, let me show you. We also have some wings over here. You see that? They look so good, right? So good, so good. Yeah. And of course, the other crew members are over here. Ethan is... he's hiding. Babies.
I'm over here killing some insurgents, man. Insurgents, though. I came in second place.
Poor thing. And of course, Princess Z is right here, right here, right here. So, yeah. Yes, want to show them your shark?
Yes.
Yes, that's Ethan's shark, guys.
Yes, that's short.
Yes. So let me get back over here to this pot before
Yes, let's go.
I burn it up. See? Now in there, it's kimchi and vegetable dumplings. Because we don't do the pork thing in this house anymore. We're trying to do better. So we no longer eat like the, you know, like the pork dumplings and stuff like that. We don't do those anymore. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So I will show you guys. Look how crispy that looks. Don't that look good today? I'm so excited to eat. So when we're done and I plate everything, I will jump back on and show you guys. All right, you guys. Sorry, disregard the remote. But the food is done. That's the dumpling, babe. The dumplings is done. That's the kimchi dumplings. That's rice cake and octopus. It's octopus? Okay, octopus that Kayla made. That's the lobster balls. I'm not a fan. And this is so good. Oh my God, it is so good. What is it called? Lychee flavored SoJu. Y'all,
Flavor?
it's so good. Then we have the killer. Then we have the shrimp shumais over there. More chicken in there. More chicken in there. I'm so excited to eat, you guys. Kayla. Oh boy. So, Ethan, say hi.
Hi.
So we're about to enjoy some dinner.
About to enter.
And yeah, we might do a sit down, but I said, let me show y'all what we eating today. Today's Saturday. What are you guys having for dinner? Ethan wanted me to turn the camera back on to show you guys his dinosaur.
Strong enough to unite the realm against the cold.
It's so black. It's black.
It's black?
Yep, it's black and not swim and not the crawl.
Oh.
And not the crawl and not swim and not the
Yeah.
pearl.
My dreadlocks, baby.
No.
Yep, so
Yeah.
see you guys in the next vlog. As always, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and hang with us. Yes, tell them subscribe. Subscribe. All right, you guys. See you in the next one.